Take one. Hi, my name is Britt Humbert, registered dietitian at the UNC Wellness Center. And today is the third in our series of high protein lunches. And actually, it's kind of turning out to be more of a lunch leftover program. So today we're going to make fried rice. It would be a chicken fried rice, but I made a bunch of pulled pork last night, so we're going to be using pulled pork for this recipe. However, if you don't have any leftover chicken, you can still do this. Take a pack of chicken breast, put it on a pie plate, put some olive oil on it, salt, pepper to taste, heat it in a 400-degree oven for 30 minutes, and boom, you have roasted chicken breast that you can use for pretty much all of these recipes that we're doing. Spray a nonstick pan with a little bit of cooking spray. And I am going to make a few scrambled eggs. This is not like normal scrambled eggs. We're just going to drop them right into the pan. Definitely a great way to get extra protein and lutein and B12. And then we're just going to give it a little bit of a stir. Gently. This is a non-stick pan, so really doesn't like metal. It's on medium heat. You stop using the whisk. Use a wooden spoon. It's when you want to take them off the heat because you don't want to overcook them, and you're going to cook them even further when you make the fried rice. Now, you don't even have to have any leftover pork or chicken or steak or shrimp or whatever it is that we're going to be doing today. You can just use a lot more eggs. You can add tofu. My burner does not work, but it's the best one. It's the center one. Well, about a teaspoon of butter. Not that much butter. About a teaspoon of butter. What I love is just all the vegetables that you can put in it. Actually, I'm gonna go for 2 cups. I gotta make a lot of this. I keep like giant bags of frozen veggies around because I use them all the time in all kinds of different things, even snacks or whatever. A couple cups of broccoli too. These are big broccoli, like they're like giant. Give that a stir. And here, about 3 cups of cooked rice. It's leftover rice from the night before, right to the pan. Start to like heat up and fry and get gorgeous and lovely. Add a ½ teaspoon of onion powder to that. A ½ teaspoon of garlic powder. Give that a stir. That started heating up. It's doing great. Time to add the leftover shredded pork, shredded chicken, shredded beef, steak, whatever you have. I'm gonna add about 2 cups of this. So I have way more than that left over. I don't know about you, but when I make like a pulled pork or something like that, it just makes a ton. And so I have a ton left over. So it's about 3 cups of cooked rice and about 2 cups of a protein of your choice. I'm having shredded pork here. You can do chicken, you can do shrimp, you can do beef, you can do whatever you have. Add some flavor. Need some soy sauce here. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce to this. I think I'm finishing off my soy sauce. Now, you can add additional soy sauce or oyster sauce to taste. Oyster sauce you don't necessarily need to add. If you're allergic, don't add it. So if you're allergic to seafood, don't add oyster sauce, please. I have it cooking in a cast iron pan today because it really does give it a great texture. Whoops. I'm also rather messy. And you're kind of just cooking to heat it through. I'm gonna add the eggs back. So I don't know if I would call this a high protein lunch as much as I would call it leftover day. Think about 3 scallions. I got 3 of them right here. I'm gonna use some of the green because it's real pretty. I'm gonna pop that in. We're almost done. Really doesn't take that long to make this. Turn that off. Soy sauce, or maybe not. And the final ingredient, yep, if you have some, toasted sesame oil. I'm gonna add, just be careful, you don't wanna go crazy with this stuff because it will ruin a dish, but a little bit goes a long way. Check that out. Beautiful. I almost wish I had smaller pieces of broccoli in there, but you never know what kind of frozen broccoli you're gonna get. That's a high protein leftover tip number 3. Call it lunch or dinner or snack, whatever. I'm gonna put it into small containers again and stick it in the fridge for snacks for each. Are you like in my way? I think the big theme of these 3 dishes is having some leftover protein to use, whatever that might be. Stay well, have a great day. Bye-bye. You're just like, I'm like filming and you're like pulling stuff off. You can turn that off now. What am I doing? I do not know.